Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to receive payment in QuickBooks Desktop. Open the Customer's menu, select Receive Payments, pick the customer, enter the amount, choose the payment method, and select the deposit account. Make sure to apply the payment to the correct invoices and verify totals match your payment source. If you use undeposited funds, group multiple payments and make a single bank deposit for cleaner reconciliation later on. Start by choosing the payment method before saving so fees and accounts post correctly. Enter any check numbers, authorization codes, or reference details for auditing. If processing fees apply, record them as an expense or use a merchant service fee account so your income remains accurate. Always verify the deposit account and date to match your bank statement for straightforward reconciliation at month end. Treat undeposited funds as a temporary holding account to mirror real bank behavior. Receive payments into undeposited funds when multiple checks or cards arrive, then record a single bank deposit that matches your bank statement. This prevents mismatched deposit amounts and simplifies reconciliation. Always double-check payment dates and amounts before creating the deposit, and use clear memo fields to help trace transactions later during audits or reviews.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.